Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use your Bank of America digital card. First, for in-store purchases, add your Bank of America card to your digital wallet like Apple Pay, Google Pay, and etc. Look for the contactless payment symbol at checkout. Hold your phone near the terminal to pay. Next, for in-app and online purchases, add your Bank of America card to your digital wallet. Shop online or in apps and look for the preferred wallet logo at checkout. Select it, log in with your ID, and pay securely. And that's it. That's how to use your Bank of America digital card. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.